Okay. Looking at our analysis for the week, it was nice. Though I took a loss, though, I'm not gonna lie. I took a nice loss. I didn't expect it safe. Let's see. Let's extend this. Abisiam. Abisiam. So we took a loss, but overall, it's not. I'm not going to still classify it as a loss because if at all he hit our take profit, but then a loss is a loss. A loss is a loss. For the coming week, I don't really have anything in mind, so I'm going to just move along as time goes. Like as time goes on, we are going to move along with what is currently happening in the market itself. As of right now, this is one. My God, if I just keep it. This is 1:12 a.m. in the night. This my time is wrong, though. This my time is wrong. It's like after 1 in the night. So for this coming week, we are going to move along as we go, and I don't have anything in mind since with what is currently happening in the world right now and the news and everything. I prefer I'm going to just walk along as we go. I prefer I'm just going to walk along as we go. I just wanted to just come and I'm exporting something, so I just wanted to come and do this video before I go to sleep. Even if it's the last night before today, I'm good. I'm already tired. But the light is back. I'm already tired. Fucking tired, I'm not gonna lie. But then I'm seeing fair value gap appear, but I'm not going to validate anything. I'm not validating anything because these are relatively called lows. But then I'm not validating anything because the market can open and just start from here. Or just open and just continue running upwards. So you can't really predict the market right now, so to say. Yeah, you can't predict the market right now. You can't. Before they could talk, say, America talk, say, Miracle did not say anything. Miracle did not say anything. I was not even expecting to to be stopped out though. That was my least expectation, but then you can't predict the market. You can't predict the market. That's why we have stop losses. If we are always right 100% of the time, we won't be needing stop losses. Yeah, we won't be needing stop losses. So that's what I just came here to do today. I'll be right now. Consequently, to be honest, I don't even know the meaning of that in English, but as time goes on, we see what we can do better, learn better, and understand better. This was actually like a 2.25 fixed reward. It's nice if you ask me. For the week, for a week, it's nice if you ask me. Because if we go back to our previous week, oh sorry, this is the monthly time frame. As you can see, sef, the monthly time frame, this month I've not taken out previous month high. So there's still possibility of higher movement. Though I'm not going to say anything, I'm not predicting anything. Or, mhm. I'm just okay. Yeah, yeah. So this was our previous week prior to this week that just ended, and you can see what market did. Market just came down. I always like buying or selling below or above. Let me just say at weeks. Like this is the body. This is the body of the candle. I like buying. If I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy at the weeks. And if I'm going to sell, I'm going to sell at the weeks. Mhm. That's how I like mine. Yeah, I don't know about you, but that's how I like mine. And for on Friday, because this whole scenario took place on Thursday, Friday, and I was not really expecting Thursday and Friday to I was not expecting Thursday especially to take us out, and I was not expecting, but I was expecting this move on Friday. I was expecting it on Thursday. Honestly, I was expecting it on Thursday, but it came on Friday, so market had to liquidate what he has to liquidate. Yeah, market has to liquidate what he has to liquidate. Market has to liquidate what he has to liquidate. So for now, we are just going to like keep watching and keep anticipating on what to do next. So for now, stay smart. That's the only thing I can say.